When creating your New Year's resolutions, don't forget about your septic system. Changing just a few habits can help make your septic system last into 2020, 2021, 2022, and beyond. 6 septic New Year's resolutions. Number 1. Review the Do Not Flush list. Some items are safe to put into your septic system, and then some items are not safe, so think before you flush. Non-flushable items can include bleach, coffee grounds, hair, hygienic wipes, and pharmaceuticals. Number 2. Know your septic layout. You may already know where the septic tank is on your property, but are you sure you know where your drain field is? To avoid problems, know their locations and the dangers that affect your septic system. Number 3. Know the warning signs. Stop major problems before they happen. Some septic warning signs include standing water in your septic field, overly green grass, odors, slow drains, and water backups. Number 4. Conserve water. Conserving water can actually help out your septic system. Luckily, reducing water use is easy. Don't use more than you need, time when you're doing your laundry and running the dishwasher, and in general, use less. Number 5. Pump your tank. Get a fresh start in 2020 by pumping your septic tank. Number 6. Create a maintenance schedule. Your septic tank needs regular maintenance. This includes regular pumps and inspections. Start planning your septic New Year's resolutions now. To schedule your next maintenance appointment, contact us today at Advanced Septic Systems at 352-242-6100. Again, that is 352-242-6100.